Welcome my viewers to the Magic Behind channel. This is a channel where we teach you about electronics components and how to use those components to make working circuits. In today's video, I want to show you how to make Instagram logo using right emitting diodes. Before we move ahead, kindly subscribe to my channel by clicking on the red subscribe button below this video. In front are the materials, tools and components which we need to complete this task. You need a logo printout, a piece of plywood, a nail cutter, a solder, 4 pieces 150 kilo ohms resistors, jumper wires, a drill, a soldering iron. You also need right emitting diodes, color white, purple, red and yellow. The first step is to mount the printout on this piece of plywood. It is a sticker, so it has a sticking side. The second step is to take your drill, make holes and insert the LEDs. I'll start by drilling holes on this white circle. Then I'll do the same on this, in this dot. Then after there I'll make holes from here all around up to here where the purple LEDs will come. Then from here all the way down up to there, that's where the reds will come. Then from here all the way up to here, this is where yellow will come. I have drilled the holes all around that circle. I now take the LEDs and start inserting them. I have now completed inserting LEDs on this circle and on this dot. After here I come at the back, I do the folding of the leads and I do the soldering. When folding the leads of a circle, you need to be a bit careful because you might end up soldering the leads of the same LED. So you need to be careful. You know which is anode and cathode, so that after there you'll be able to do the folding and the soldering. After completing the folding, now you need to do the soldering. When you are through with the soldering, this is the time when you will take your nail cutter you come and trim those long LEDs, or rather leads. After you are through with the trimming of the leads, you need to come and mark your anode and cathode of each section. For this one, this is the anode, this is the cathode. On this one is the anode, and that's the cathode. I'll do the same with this section and on these outer sections. I have now completed inserting all the LEDs. From here to here I have purple, all these are purple LEDs. From here down all the way to there I have yellow. Then from here all the way up to here I have red. As you can see at the back, I have marked my anode, cathode on all sections. We have 4 sections. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In fact, we have like 6 sections, but we have 4 colors. So what I need to do from here is to connect, because this circle, this dot, and these are white LEDs. So I need to connect them in series so that I can have one series connection for white LEDs. If you are not aware of series parallel connections, I have done another video in my previous videos. I'll attach it to this video so that you can learn how to do those connections. In fact, I have taught some basics about LEDs on that video. I'll now connect the whites so that I can make one series connection for white LEDs. I have now connected the whites together, all this round, then coming, going all the way up to here. So this is the anode of white and the cathode of white. After here, I will put the resistors. I have 4 resistors because we have 4 sections. Each color will have 1 resistor. I have now soldered all 4 resistors. I've soldered them on the anode of each section. To avoid movement of the resistor, you can use a glue gun to stick the resistors on the board. I let that gum to cool. I have soldered the resistors on the anode of each section. And I have also used a glue gun to stick the resistors on the board. This to avoid movement which may cause short circuit. The next step is you find 2 pieces of PCB and you stick them on the board. You will stick them using the glue from the glue gun. This will be power terminals. I have now connected all the anodes here and all the cathodes here. This is where the positive power terminal will come, and this is where the negative power terminal will come. I now want us to connect to power, and we test whether our Instagram logo is working. When connecting to power, I'm not using a battery, I'm using AC to DC rectifier. I have made a video on how to make one. You can check on my previous videos and you'll find that video. That is how our logo looks like. As you can see, it is working. So at night, when it's growing, somebody will know there is an Instagram logo there. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please make sure you subscribe to my channel if you have not yet done so. You can also give this video a thumbs up. You can also share it with friends whom you think may be interested in this kind of stuff. And on the comment section below, you can ask me any question. You can leave me any comment. I'll be so happy. I'll be so glad to interact with you. Once again, thank you so much. See you in my next video.